Good afternoon, everyone. This is Romona coming to you from Social Media How-Tos with Romona with a quick LinkedIn tip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn URL. The first thing you want to do is log into your LinkedIn account. By default, this will bring you to your LinkedIn news feed. Go ahead and click on Me in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Once on the Settings and Privacy page, click on Visibility. Then go ahead and click on Edit Your Public Profile. Once on the Edit Your Public Profile page, look over to the left and you'll see Edit Your Custom URL. In the Custom URL field, go ahead and take out the numbers behind your name and type in your name as you would like it to appear in the URL. Go ahead and click on Save, and there you have it. Your URL should now be the custom URL that you've chosen. You will receive a message in the bottom left-hand corner that says Success. We've updated your settings. This is how you'll know that your custom URL has been set. As always, I want to thank you for hanging in there with me. Again, this is Romona from Social Media How-Tos with Romona. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you will receive notifications each time I post a new video. Have an amazing day.